Hello everyone, welcome to the webinar series 2022 of Moldix 3D. I'm Anand Bora, Customer Success Manager at Moldix 3D North America, and today's topic is going to be machine digital twin, machine characterization analysis, and case studies. Today's session is divided into three parts. I will start with a short introduction of machine characterization analysis, followed by some real case studies, and finally the conclusion. Machine characterization analysis. In injection molding, there are three major factors, including 5 digital twins that influence the product quality. Material, design, and machine being the three factors. The 5 digital twins are the material digital twin, mold design digital twin, part design digital twin, the machine digital twin, and then the molding machine and the molding process itself. At Moldix 3D, we offer overall services for these factors in our digital twin concept. In today's session, I will focus on the machine digital twin. In typical CAE process, by considering machine specs, the user usually follows these three steps. Choose a machine model which will be adopted for production in the future, followed by define the parameters of molding process conditions, and finally run the simulation. Sounds very easy and simple, but have you considered these two questions? The first one being, does the specs of machine you choose from CAE default database match with the real machine? And the second being, with the speed and pressure responses on each real machine be the same even when the machine is of the same brand and same model? Let's keep these questions in mind and we'll long and try to find the answer for them in the subsequent slides.